Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix echo on a MacBook. First of all, if your speakers are too loud, click the control center in the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see the volume slider. Adjust the volume according to your preference. Sometimes high sound volume can create echo or sound distortion, so lowering it can help fix the issue. If the issue is still there, let's check the sound input settings. From the bottom menu, click on System Settings. Once the settings panel opens up on the screen, find and open the sound section. Here, go to the Input tab. Now check the input volume slider. If it is set too high or maxed out, simply lower it and keep it between 50 to 75%. Sometimes high input gain can cause echo, especially during calls or recordings. If the echo issue is still not fixed, let's restart the audio engine. Press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Here in the search bar, type Activity Monitor and press Enter. Once Activity Monitor opens up on the screen, use the search bar at the top and type Core Audioed. When you find it, select it and click on the X icon at the top. A pop-up will appear on the screen where you need to choose Force Quit. This will restart the background audio process automatically and reset your MacBook audio drivers. And that's it. This is how you can fix echo or loudspeaker issues on a MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.